Oh, we've seen all kinds of brick and mortar type projects funded by the stimulus, but there's a more human side. Projects that give people, real people, a second chance. That's the case at places like the Central City Concern in Portland, Oregon.
Today, I'm pleased to announce that we're awarding more than $500 million to 85 centers in more than 30 states and Puerto Rico that are providing critical care for so many folks with nowhere else to turn.
They come to us homeless, they come to us addicted, they come to us in mental health crisis with serious physical problems. And what we're looking for is a transformation.
I am a recovering addict. I have 2.5 years clean and sober. I'm currently a full-time student working on my bachelor's degree in photography and design.
Half of our staff are former clients themselves and live in our own communities.
You know, I had the treatment support, I had the medical support, I had the housing support. I was approached about becoming a member of the Administrative Directory Advisory Board, and I was voted in. My first experience with the clinic was through the Central City Concerns Recovery Center, and I received acupuncture at the clinic.
What acupuncture does is help with withdrawal symptoms. So acupuncture helps people deal with these symptoms in an effective way, and we're not using other substances to do it. The other thing we use it for a lot here is pain management.
I've actually been to a bunch of places, and with this, well, the treatment center that I went to, I was still in the community.
Hi. People who have often been traumatized by the medical system and maybe been made to feel less than worthy, all of a sudden are treated with a kind of dignity and respect.
I do maintenance, and so it may not sound like much, but like fixing somebody's heater or, you know, a switch in their room, they're really grateful for it. And people took care of me when I came through.
Over a 10-year period, we're going to save the community, including the hospitals, ambulance, emergency services, about $17 million in costs. But that's $17 million in savings over what it costs to run these programs and build this building.
I'd like to be a National Geographic photographer.
My whole life I've pretty much taken from society, and now I can, you know, be a part of society. It feels good.
And the federal stimulus plan won't win any popularity contest, but there are a few things that many Americans are in favor of. Programs like that, as you saw. Also, a CNN Opinion Research Corporation poll finds that 70% approve of the tax cuts, nearly 3 in 10 disapprove. 80% give a thumbs up for road and bridge projects, 20% give it a thumbs down. And with the nation's unemployment at 10%, this may be no surprise. 83% say money should be going to people who lost jobs. 17% disapprove.